Hi everyone, in this video we will review Thorne Creatine. Thorne Creatine is a clinical grade creatine monohydrate supplement designed to support muscle performance, strength, endurance, and overall energy production. It's priced at $44, which places it in a higher tier compared with basic creatine powders. The formula is micronized for easy mixing, and the scope dissolves smoothly in water, juice, or your preferred drink. The recommended use is 1 scoop daily, taken 30 to 90 minutes before or after exercise, making it easy to fit into most training routines. The creatine goes beyond typical performance support. Creatine itself is naturally produced in the body and helps create ATP, the primary energy source for muscles and the brain during intense activity. Throne's versions aims to support not only strength and powers but also cellular hydration and cognitive functions. The product is NSF certified for sport, meaning it's tested for banned substances and considered safe for competitive athletes, and the brand is trusted by many professional teams and healthcare practitioners. While we look at the real user feedback, opinions are generally positive but not universal. Many customers praise the high quality of the ingredients, noting that it mixes well with liquids and doesn't have an odd taste. Several users also report noticeable improvements in muscle endurance, performance, and recovery, especially during intense training periods. These experiences suggest the product delivers on its core promises for many people. However, experiences vary when it comes to value and digestion. Some users feel that the price is justified because of its quality and certification, while others think it's expensive compared with basic creatine powders that deliver similar effects. Digestive responses also differ. Many report no issue at all, but a smaller number mention mild stomach discomfort after use. Overall, Thorne Creatine is a reliable choice if you want a clean, clinically packed creatine supplement with strong safety testing and added support for energy production and hydration. At $44, it's pricier than generic options, but for serious users focused on performance and quality, it offers real benefits. For casual users or beginners who just looking for basic creatine support, the higher price may be harder to justify. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.